Auto dimming and this screen brightness constantly going up and down can be really frustrating. So let's see how you can fix this problem by changing a few settings on your iPhone after updated to iOS 27. So first you have to make sure your auto brightness is turned off. Open settings, then go to accessibility, and here you have to tap on this display and text size option. So now scroll all the way down and you will find this option auto brightness. So if it's enabled, you just have to turn it off. Next, you have to turn on True Tone from the control center. So now you have to go to the control center and tap and hold the brightness slider. So here if the True Tone is off, you have to turn it on. So then after this, you have to check your auto brightness. So if it still isn't working correctly, clean the area around your front camera and the dynamic island or notch. So sometimes the ambient light sensor is located there and dust, dirt or even a thick screen protector can prevent it from detecting light accurately. So also check whether your iPhone is overheating. If it is, move your iPhone to a cooler environment, keep it out of direct sunlight and also let it cool down before using it again. Next thing we have to check from our settings, go all the way down to display and brightness. Then from here, if you see any night shift is turned on, if you don't need it anymore, just turn it off. Because night shifts adds a warmer, cooler tone that can make the display appear dimmer. You should also check your auto lock settings here. Choose a longer timeout if your screen is dimming too quickly because of inactivity. And then after trying all of this process, just force restart your iPhone. Hopefully one of this solution fix your auto brightness issue on your iPhone. Thanks for your time.